SIM card switch, from one phone to another.
Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to switch your SIM card from one phone to another. This is a common task for most mobile phone users at some point, especially when upgrading to a new phone. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Follow along as we walk you through the process step by step.
What will you need?
Before we start, make sure you have everything you need. Your old phone, from where you will be removing the SIM card, your new phone, where you will be installing the SIM card, a SIM card removal tool, or alternatively a paperclip can do the trick. It's important to note that phones must be turned off before you start the process.
How do I remove the SIM card from my old phone?
Follow these steps to safely remove your SIM card from your old phone. 1. Turn off your old phone. 2. Locate the SIM card tray on your phone. It's usually on the side of the phone, and it's a small hole where you can insert the SIM card removal tool. 3. Insert the SIM card removal tool or the end of a paperclip into the hole and apply a little pressure. The tray should pop out. 4. Carefully remove the tray and take out the SIM card. Remember to handle the SIM card with care as it can be easily damaged.
How do I install the SIM card into my new phone?
Now, let's move on to installing your SIM card into your new phone. Here's how to do it. 1. Turn off your new phone. 2. Find the SIM card tray in your new phone. 3. Place your SIM card into the SIM card tray. Make sure the SIM card fits properly and that it's oriented correctly. If you're not sure about the orientation, look for a small icon or diagram on the tray that shows how to place the SIM card. 4. Slide the tray back into your new phone. Push it gently until it clicks into place.
What's next?
Once you've inserted your SIM card into your new phone, you're almost done. Here's what you need to do next. 1. Turn on your new phone. 2. Your new phone should recognize the SIM card automatically, but if it doesn't, you may need to manually select your carrier from the phone's settings. 3. Check that everything's working fine. Make a call, send a text message, or use data to make sure everything is functioning correctly. If you face any issues, you might need to contact your service provider for further assistance. And that's it. You've now learned how to switch your SIM card from one phone to another. It's a simple and straightforward process. Remember to handle your SIM card with care and make sure your phones are turned off during the switch. We hope this video tutorial has been helpful, and thank you for watching. Enjoy using your new phone.